Hi, welcome to the first video of this course. We'll be making our HelloWorld app today, and for that, we will need Android Studio. But before downloading Android Studio, we will need one more software called Java JDK. It's called Java Development Kit, and what it does is it converts the Kotlin language that we code in to uh, a language that can be understood by the machine. And let's download that. Just go on to Google and search for Java JDK and click on the first result. So at the time of recording this video, the latest version of Java JDK is 16, but you can like download the your latest version. Just click here, it will start downloading, and yeah, it should look like this. Let's install. Next, close. That's all. Now we need to add environment variables. Let's type environment here, environment variables. Look for path here and then edit, new, browse this PC, C, Java version 16.02 and bin. Cool. Okay. Now new, type Java underscore home, this PC, C, cool. We are all set. Now let's download Android Studio. Just go on to Google and search for Android Studio. Click on the first result and click on download Android Studio. It will start downloading and it should look like this. Let's install Android Studio now. Next, 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 install. Since I already have Android Studio installed in my PC, I'm not going to install this again. But after you click on install, it will show prompts like this. Let me, yeah, it will ask if you want to import Android Studio settings. If you're a first time user, then click on do not import settings and okay. Then data sharing, you can like click on don't send, then next. So there's a dark theme and a light theme, but I'm using dark theme because coding in dark seems cool. So you can like choose whatever theme you want and next, finish, and it will get installed. So let me open Android Studio now. Yeah, new project. Hello World App, Kotlin, finish. As you can see here, things are getting built up right here. So let's wait for that.
6.5 hours later.
And it's done. Uh, Now, if you go in Java and here, this is your Kotlin code. This is your main activity, and this is your layout. Yeah, activity main.xml is the place where you will do your UI. We'll be discussing more about this on our upcoming videos, but let me give you a brief idea about this. Yeah, this is the XML code that you will be uh, making changes for doing your UI. So by default, Hello World will be present here, and this will let's run this app in a emulator now. If you go inside this, you may not see any device here. Since I already downloaded one device, I'm getting a Pixel 4. But what you need to do is go inside that, create a virtual device, and choose a device that you like. Let's say Pixel 4a. Next, next, Pixel 4a, cool, finish. Yeah, device will be added to you. Now let's run our app. I'm going to run this app in Pixel 4 XL. Let's run.
Day 2. Day 3.
So my emulator just showed hello world after 1 hour of me trying to get this thing right. And yeah, this is how it will look like. This hello world, which is here, will be printed, is printed here. So I'll be teaching you how to run apps in directly in Android phone in my upcoming videos. So yeah, stay tuned.